Hi everyone, welcome to Mikaas tutorial, chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. In this video, I am going to teach trigonometric identities exercise question, that is exercise 8.4. I have already taught some topics of this chapter. If you have not watched, please watch it. Link is given in the description box. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. Now let's go inside the video. So in the exercise, we will go in the second question, that is evaluate sine 25 into cos 65 plus cos 25 and sine 65. Now seeing this question, what we can do? We don't have any formula with sine 25 and cos 65. Do we have any formula like that? No. So we will convert this cos in terms of sine, or we will convert this sine in terms of cos. So, you can write this cos 65 as what? You can write this sine 25 is sine 25, and this cos 65 you can write cos 90 minus 25. Is that correct? We can write this cos 65 as cos 90 minus 25. Same way you convert this cos 25 in terms of sine 65 or sine 65 in terms of cos 25. See, I will change the sine 65 in terms of cos 25, that is sine 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25 is 65. Yes. Okay. Now what is cos 90 minus 25? What is cos 90 minus 25? We know the formula. Already we have read. No. Sine 90 minus a is cos a, and cos 90 minus a is equal to sine a, which means we have to convert this cos into sine and write the value of a here. So write in the same way. Cos 90 minus 25 is sine 25. Same way you write here also. Sine 90 minus a. What is sine 90 minus a? Is cos a, that is cos 25. Now sine into sine. Sine a into sine a is sine square a, that is sine square 25. Same way cos into cos. What is that? Cos square 25. Is this correct? Now you know our formula. Sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. You know this formula, we have already read in a previous exercise. So here also you see this is a and this is a. All the a value is same, the sine and cos. So you can write it as 1. Sine square 25 plus cos square 25 is 1. So our answer is 1. Nothing is there in this question. Very simple. Convert this cos into sine and this sine into cos, so that we will have this both in sine. So we can write it as sine. Sine into sine, we can write it as sine square. So sine square a plus cos square a, we will get it as 1. That's it. Next question is, the next we will go inside. Choose the correct option. It's the fourth question. In that we have many questions. I have taken this one which seems to be little tricky. That is 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. So we have the options here. What is the options? Secant square a, and second option is minus 1. C is cot square a. D is tan square a. So now we will calculate this and we will get the answer and select one option from this. So the question is 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. So we will take this as 1 plus tan square a is given. So this 1 we have to convert it into any other form. So that only we can calculate and start the further steps. So I know that here we need some other tan values so that we can cancel the tan. So here I have one formula. 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. Now in place of 1 you can write as secant square a minus tan square a. See, in this place of 1 I will write secant square a minus tan square a, and the tan square is already present. Now converting this 1 in this form, we can cancel this tan square a and tan square a because plus and minus is there. Same way this one also we can convert in term of cot square. So here we have another formula, cot square a plus 1 is equal to cos x square a. In place of 1 we can write cos x square a minus cot square a. Same way you write it as cos x square a minus cot square a. And the cot square a is already present there. Now cancel this, cancel this. Now this minus and this plus cot square. Now what is left? Secant square a divided by cos x square a. Now we don't have any other formulas to convert this. Now you can change this secant square in terms of cos. That is 1 by cos square a. Same way this cosec we can change into sine. 1 by sine square a. So now convert this. Take it as reciprocal. 1 by cos square a into sine square a divided by 1. That is sine square a by cos square a, which is equal to tan square a. Now this is the answer which we got, and we can select the option which is matching, that is D, tan square a. Now the fifth question is, prove the following identities. So what are the identities we have learnt? That is, we have learnt 1 plus cot tan square a is equal to secant square a. Sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. We have more 3 identities like this. So we have to use that identities and solve this question. So here this is the LHS and this is the RHS. You have to prove that. So we'll take the LHS. Cos this LHS, I'll write it. Cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. Now take the LCM of this, because we don't have any other thing to do here. 1 plus sin a also we don't have any identity. So just take the LCM, which means 1 plus sin a into cos a. Cos a into cos a is cos square a plus 1 plus sin a, and here also 1 plus sin a. So 1 plus sin a the whole square. Now you have to open this bracket. Open it. Cos square a is equal to 1 square, that is 1, plus sin square a plus 1 into 2 into 1 into sin a, that is 2 sin a, divided by, keep the LCM same way, denominator in the same way, that is 1 plus sin a divided by cos a, so that while convert it, we can convert it properly, cancel it properly. So here you can see that cos square a plus sin square a we have here. Cos square a and sin square a, which is equal to 1. Yes, you can have that thing, use that formula here. So 1 plus cos square a plus sin square a is 1 plus 2 sin a. It is already present in the form, in the value. 1 plus sin a is in the denominator and cos a. So now you can add this. We will get it as 2 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. This is the thing which is left out. So now you can cancel it 1 plus sin a. When you have 1 plus sin a in the numerator, then only you can cancel it. So you should get 1 plus sin a. How you will get? Take the 2 common. So what will be left here? 1. And what will be left here? Sin a. So you got 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now you can cancel it, because you have in numerator and denominator 1 plus sin a. So 2 by cos a. 1 by cos a is what? What is this? 2 into 1 by cos a, no? So we can write it as 2 secant a. So this is the RHS which we require. Same way in this prove the following identities, we have more other questions. We will continue this in the coming video. We came to the end of the video. So I'll be teaching the remaining questions of this exercise 8.4 in the coming video. So if you like this video, please like and share. And if you want more videos, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for the further notifications. Thank you.